Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to continue on with the airbox. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, back to the airbox. So I've been looking at pictures of the stock little air intake that goes here. So looks like it gets air from behind the light, which there really isn't that much room there. But I was thinking of maybe dipping this down to a point where the hood bonnet stay isn't really in the way, but that means curving it down and then it'll be covering over these caps, which I don't really want. But I'd like to box it in somehow to get as much airflow as possible, and also just looking at maybe going over this bracket. Get rid of that mic. I don't think that works with this GoPro. And need to clean up in here, but I want to use the stock mounting location. So there's it there and there. Actually, that angle's out that way, but I'll probably just do another 90-degree bracket. And also I was thinking of just doing some 90-degree little L brackets here and here, so then I don't have to mount it under or on top. It'll just be there and there, or do a few of them along there. It'll be easy to take that top panel off, which I was talking about last time. I do still need to chop this back as well. Probably take a decent amount off that, so we have more metal piping there. So I actually brought home some decent cardboard from work, so nice and sturdy, and it's about the thickness of the it's about the thickness of the metal, so that'll work out really well with when it comes time to measure. So that's like perfect size. Alright, let's get to it. Alrighty guys, just cut that, so now we've got that angle, but also we've got a 3-inch coupler now. That's pretty cool. So now we can get a decent amount of metal piping on there, which will allow us to plumb in the catch can. So it's good. Now I need to just find out the length I want to run there. Alrighty guys, so this is just on the 2.5 pieces that I had. I just held it in there and pretty much got that where I wanted it to be. So put that lip onto that bottom lip. That's about the length of the 3-inch pipe that I want. So measure that up, measure it onto that one, and cut it. Alright guys, there's the length of 3-inch. Cut it and deburred it, but now I've got some fluff on there. Let's put it in. Alright guys, there we have it. Got the 3-inch there. Choppers on quite good there, and in enough there, and definitely in enough there. So now we need to figure out how we're going to make the airbox around it. So it's going to be pretty close. Might be able to just move this out a bit. Alright, that looks a bit better. I'll probably put it out another centimetre. So when the divider goes along here, it won't be actually on the rubber. It'll be about here. So I was thinking of actually welding this to the side, but I don't know. I might just put like a cut out of the EU and that'll slide into it. Yeah, I think that might work the best. Just have some rubber around that U. And for where I'm going to put the AN. Yeah, let's get the AN. Alright, here's the weld on AN fitting. So if I put it like that, I could probably use one of the 45s, but we'll wait until I do the actual side where I can weld it on. If I put it there, I can use a 45. If I put it underneath, we can use a 90. I think it'll look a lot neater underneath, but it doesn't really matter. Like if I put that in the middle, right, I can just always just rotate that pipe. So I could put it there, have it on the outside there. There's too much going on here at the moment, so we'll see how we go once we make the box. Alrighty guys, been going backwards and forth with this cardboard here. So I've cut out a hole. I was pretty damn close, but I've just got to elongate it a bit because it's coming through on an angle. I'm not sure if I've shown you this too. This is the cutout for charge pipe from the GT35 to the TD04. Not TD04, the TD05. So yeah, just got to elongate this out and we'll have another test of how it fits. There we go, boys. That looks a lot better than that cardboard, doesn't it? Yeah. So it's a bit. It's not completely flat, but it will be when it's metal. Yeah. So I elongated that. As you can see, it's gone through on an angle. So it fits in there good. Might have to make it just a little bit bigger if I'm going to run some like gasket around it. Moved these down as well, so they aren't in the way. So you can butt that right up, or even chop that bracket a bit and send it all the way to the tower there. Obviously, I have to make it a bit longer in the metal, but I haven't figured out something yet for here. So goes about there. Looking good. So I haven't gone all the way down to the bottom because of all the pipes and the wiring that goes through. But I think that should be good. It's sectioned off. Really got to look down there to see. But yeah, it's good. So with the bung for the catch can, that's over here. Let's have a look. Right. So when I put this in, I'm gonna have to have that pipe in it if I've got the bung, because I've been putting the pipe through that way. So I might put it on the bottom, hide it a bit. So I'm gonna say I'll mark it on top and I'll just rotate it. But that won't work, will it? Let's look at the angle. So I ended up marking underneath, wondering how I did it. Put the Sharpie through the bung. So that's directly underneath, so we'll worry about that later. It's a decent amount off, it's probably opposite where that is. So it shouldn't interfere anything, and I'll just run a 9° off that and run it along this one over to here, over to there. So I've got some brackets to make up. Got one here, one down there to the stock location for the airbox, and then I'll put 2 along here, I guess. This edge here is actually going to have a 9° on it, about a centimetre or centimetre and a half, 15mm, to have a lip along there. So then this top section is easily bolted on and off for services. Get the filter out, check any of this stuff. Oh, what's all of that dirt down there, you know? Stuff like that. Cool. Alright guys, just put some tape on there so it would sit properly. I'm liking the look of it. Cleaned it up a lot, but I want to probably chop this down a bit. So extend that all the way. And also I'll probably extend this side all the way to that bracket there. Maybe not. Maybe just the top one, because I've got the water line that runs through. No, I could notch it out. Well, I've got all these that go through there too. Maybe I'll just do the top. I'll chop this bracket tomorrow. I'll extend this top, see what it looks like. Looks okay. Also with this section here, I have left it open because of this. It does rest up against it just a little bit, but when I do put it down, it doesn't touch it at all. I guess I could, box it down a bit, but then be getting in the way of the power steering reservoir there. But should be getting a little bit of airflow through that light, but if we do like go for a drag or something, we'll just pull that light out and we should get some good flow. Not really, because we've got a pipe there, we've got the ABS in the way, but yeah, might make some custom lights, maybe like the demon lights Dodge Demon, that is, you know. It's got the... Anyway, I'm just going to mark this off so I know where to chop it. And that'll probably be me for tonight, but I'll see you in a sec. Alrighty guys, I'm back. It's now Wednesday night and it's starting to rain. I'm not really going to do much more tonight on here except for measure up the mounting L brackets that I need to make up in metal. But I do need to get Forester out of here on the weekend so I can get the missus car in. So we've got some parts that we need to put on that. I'll show you the boxes. I put it up on Instagram yesterday, on Wednesday. Some pretty big boxes. Oh, what could they be? So I am going to get the Forester going. I'm going to get it on the ground and I'm going to get it out of here on the weekend. So it may be Saturday morning's episode that you do see this running. It could be the golf episode that you see on Saturday morning. I'm not sure just yet, but this needs to go. And it might even get outside without this being done. As you can see, I've already got the pipe on there. So I've got the filter on there. So there's nothing really getting in the way of starting it, except for this vacuum leak. But if this is out, then I can reattach that. But that's easy. Easy. Everything should run fine. It's not putting any boost into it. Just moving it around so it doesn't leak. Just got to make sure that the trans is good. If you like this episode, guys, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for next episode when this gets moved finally. I think it's been in here all year. So 6 months. Whew. Thanks for watching. Bye.